How to verify Facebook page. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, scroll down. Click on the option Help and Support. Now open the option Help Center. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in over there request for a blue verification badge. Now click on this option Request a verified badge on Facebook. Now scroll down, verify your profile or page. Click on this option Fill in this form. In order to verify your Facebook page, you have to fill this form and submit it. So first you have to select what are you verifying. Check in for the option page. Click on this drop down and select the page. Heading towards next option, that is step 1, confirm authenticity. You have to select the document type. Now click on this option, choose files and upload it. Heading towards step 2, confirm notability. Click on this drop down and select the category. Likewise, type in your country or region name. In the audience section, you have to describe the people who follow your page or profile. This one is optional. Now scroll down. Now over here, you can add up to 5 articles, social media accounts, and other links as so your page or profile is in the public interest. Once you fill all this, click on the option of send. With that, you have just requested for the verification of your Facebook page. If your Facebook page meets all the criteria to be verified, your account will be verified. So this is how you can verify your Facebook page. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.